to recognise. We talk about fight and flight. Well, we have an alarm system in our brain called the amygdala. So it just goes bang if there's a threat. We're getting a lot of knowledge now about biological differences, particularly in adults and children with autism, about how they perceive the world. It's almost like their brains are hardwired to be susceptible to stressors. This kind of fight and flight response where, you know, we kind of have a flashing moment of something's a threat. We know in a lot of the people we support that's going off for a whole range of different things. So we've learned an awful lot over the last few years about this internal world of people with autism. And again, I also make a lot of mistakes. I got bitten last year in the supermarket. It's really embarrassing when you're an international expert on managing behaviour and somebody bites you, you know. It's not good for the image. That hurt. Yeah? But the young man who grabbed hold of me in panic. I didn't take that as malicious. I was in the wrong place at the wrong time. It seems like a very obvious thing to say, but a lot of people struggle, quite literally, to shut their mouths in those situations, to actually take a step back and say, well, I need to be quiet here. I need to let this person get through this. It's incredibly difficult for people to do. And a lot of people in our experience, they inadvertently, not deliberately, they trigger incidents in those situations by making requests. So part of our approach is to see them as part of the problem, because if they're seen as part of the problem, they can also be part of the solution to managing a crisis.